Open the glove box. Remove the damper cord from the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Pinch the tabs on the side of the housing to release the filter tray. Remove the old filter from the tray and insert your new filter with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter tray. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Reinstall the damper cord. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.